All right, guys, I am going on a trip, but I am not going to be taking my Lightning. That's why I'm parked here in my garage. I'm going to be leaving my Lightning in the garage. And many of you have asked, well, how long can a Lightning sit there with the battery and without it impacting a battery, draining or whatever? So it's still kind of winter here. It's warming up a little bit and cooling off at night. And parked in the garage is probably not going to be that bad. I'm not really expecting it to do any different, but I want to show you what this is, and then I'm going to go on a 5-day trip, and it's going to sit here for those 5 days. And so basically, if you look over here on the dash, we are at 68% and 205 miles in range. So just remember that. Whenever I get back, we'll film the second part of this video. So hope you're enjoying the updates. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you when I get back. Also, I am not going to leave it plugged in. I'm going to leave it unplugged. So there's my plug just sitting on the wall. I'm going to leave it there. Bye, Lightning. I'll see you when I get back from my trip. All right, guys, I am back from my trip, for my 5-day trip. And my truck has been sitting in the garage. I've been missing it and everything. I know, it's kind of crazy. But we're gonna see what happened. Did the battery die? Who knows? But some of you asked, like, how long can it just sit there? Is it like a gas car that could just sit there forever? But those of you that know, too, that batteries, the 12-volt batteries, sometimes, even with regular gas vehicles, will actually go down if you let them sit there for a long time. So this one has an option to do that too, but literally I haven't even opened the door, nothing. We're going to get in and we're going to see how it has been doing after sitting here for a little bit. So I'm going to show you too. If you look, it's not been plugged in at all. So this has just been hanging here. And so, yeah, let's get in and we'll see. My hat's in here, so I'm going to get that on too. Okay, so it looks to me like, okay, it's turning on. Acting like, so far it's acting no different than what it has. Let me put my little hat on here. Woohoo! Okay, so let's see if it starts up. Normally when you open the door it does all the little fancy stuff, but all it shows is brake, and so maybe the 12-volt battery is a little low. No, it's starting right up. Return to sport mode because we know we like that. And 69% and 199 miles. Now, if you notice, it was actually 68% and 205 miles. So maybe sitting here, maybe we ought to do this more often, Kelly. We just let the truck just sit here. So, yeah, I guess it didn't do that bad. So, again, you can leave your truck just sitting there for a little while. So it wasn't plugged in for 5 whole days. Some people are like, oh, well, it's probably okay because it was in the garage. Well, even though our garage is heated, I only keep it about 40. So basically it'll still get cold, and it'll still warm up. It's not a cooled garage. So some days it's been getting above 70 here, but it gets cold at night. That's kind of the way it is with Colorado. So anyway, so there you go, there you have it. It's okay. Thunder is all right. In case you don't know, that's what I named my truck. So all right, so I waited one more day, and I just thought, hey, I'll check this out and see if it's the same thing. So I didn't drive it anywhere. So it is still, if you look over here, it is still at 69%. Again, it started at 68%, sat here in the little bit cooler. It's 40, a little bit over 40s. Anyways, I just thought I'd give it another day, see if it settles down a little bit more. It was just kind of interesting to me that it added 1% after sitting here for a few days. So Anyways, yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and I want to hear about your experiences too. Some people are saying they're leaving them at airports and it's going down a little bit on percentage. Yeah, let me know your experience with it, and I'll see you on the next video.